Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I am going to show you how to incorporate CeraVe products into your skincare routine. This is going to be suitable for beginners, for students, for those who don't have time for their skincare routine, but you want that effective yet very simple skincare routine. And this is just going to be only 3 steps. So the products I'm going to be using today, I'm going to show you today, are 3 CeraVe products, which are the CeraVe Cleanser, CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid, and then a moisturizer. So basically, I'm going to show you how to incorporate these into your skincare routine for you to get the most out of it. And honestly, you can use any CeraVe cleanser of your choice. But first things first, the first step generally is to cleanse your face. And what you ideally want to go for is to look out for hydrating cleansers. So if you're confused and you don't know, okay, what cleanser do I start with? A hydrating gentle cleanser is always your best bet. The first step you want to do is to go in with your cleanser. So right here, I've got the CeraVe Balancing Air Foam Cleanser, or like I said, any CeraVe cleanser of your choice. And when choosing cleansers, the first thing you have to consider is your skin type. Are you oily? Are you dry? Do you have combination skin? So if you are oily, then you want to go for a CeraVe cleanser that is for oily skin. They normally write it on the body, and I will say my all-time favorite is the CeraVe Cream to Foam Cleanser. So that one is amazing. Their hydrating cleanser is equally nice, but if you've got dry skin, go for the CeraVe I believe it's like a cream cleanser. It's like Lotion, it's like Moisturiser, but that is if your skin is very, very dry. Otherwise, I would say using this air foam cleanser is equally good, or they have the oil cleanser. So depending on the severity of your dryness, if it's extremely dry that any cleanser you use, it would be stripping. You find out that if your face is too dry, then go for a cream-based cleanser. So CeraVe cream cleanser will just be ideal for you. But if you have normal skin, honestly, any CeraVe cleanser will do it for you. And if you have acne prone skin and you're wanting a little bit of boost, when I mean boost, something that targets acne prone, like acne, and helps to unclog the pores, you can go for CeraVe blemish cleanser. CeraVe blemish, if I'm right, yeah. Oh, they have the salicylic one. I'll be sure to link the CeraVe cleansers that I've reviewed up here, because I believe I've reviewed all of them. So, but just keep things simple. Go for a hydrating cleanser. So after cleansing your face, you ensure you rinse your face thoroughly. And then one more thing, how to know that a cleanser is right for you is the appropriate cleanser for you is after using it and you dry your face doesn't feel stripped or too tight, then okay, you're good to go. So moving on to the second step, you can incorporate your hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum from CeraVe. This is an amazing one as well, and it has everything to do with plumping the skin, making the skin hydrated and all that, because hydrated skin is very, very important. So you just go on with your CeraVe Hydrating Serum. If you have any other CeraVe serum that you want to use, incorporate that. So after your serum, the third step, and this part is very important and equally good, you will go in with your moisturizer. And the good thing is that this particular moisturizer is 2-in-1. So it is both a moisturizer and an SPF. So you're getting, double dose just for one. Do you understand? So if I were you, I'll just go for the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. This is both sunscreen and a moisturizer, and this particular one is the AM one. It's got SPF 25. In fact, I've got both. I've got 2. So one is SPF 50, the other one is SPF 25. The only difference between 50 and 25, I know it sounds big, but the SPF 50 basically has 98% sun protection. This SPF 25 is like 95%. Yeah, about 95-ish% sun protection. So the difference is not exactly so significant. So anyone you want to lay your hand on, and they're both for normal to dry skin. So just grab anyone. I would say if it's the summertime, it's best to go for get more protection, SPF 50. But if you don't always go out and all that, SPF 25 will do. So basically what I'm trying to say in a nutshell is the CeraVe lotion, moisturizing lotion with SPF, is the best bet, especially if you don't have time, and if you don't have time for skincare, you know. So that's it. SPF is very, very important. So you see, with just these 3 steps, you've covered everything. Your skin is going to be in, you know, a good state. Like, you honestly don't need a 10-step routine, and this is very good. Imagine if you're a student, you'll be going through 10 steps. It makes no sense. So this is very appropriate for beginners and also for basically everybody, honestly, because even me myself as an esthetician, most times I do this like 3 steps only, and I go my way because nobody has the time to spend, you know, on so many steps. So that's basically how you incorporate these products into your skincare routine, just in 3 steps. So once again, let me reiterate the steps. Just what you need to do is you cleanse your face, very important. Then you use your serum, and then you end with your moisturizing SPF. This is daytime, but if it's nighttime, you can do the same steps. Cleanse your face, use serum, and then use regular moisturizer, but ensure that it doesn't have SPF, because any moisturizer with SPF is only for daytime. Yes, so that's it. And also ensure you do your routine in the morning and at night, so that, I mean, at nighttime you take off all the SPF and all the dirt from the daytime. So this is basically a 3-step skincare routine on how to incorporate CeraVe into your skincare routine. So that has to be for today's video. And so guys, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Are you using any CeraVe products? What are your favorite CeraVe products? Let me know as well in the comment section below. With all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.